In front of me is Motorola E6 Play, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at first, open the phone dialer, and once you are here, tap on More icon, select Settings, and click on Voicemail. Here pick Notifications, and if you'd like to personalize it, tap on Advanced, select Sound, and just pick the sound that you would like to apply as your voicemail notification sound. Let me pick Element, tap on OK, and here you can activate vibration if you want to. Thus, once the indicator is active, it will also vibrate, and if not, you will have sound only. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can change notification sound and add the vibration to your voicemail notification. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.